Treaty lies hidden behind smiling eyes, shaking hands bearing blood of shaken lands. The remains of buffalo slaughter surrounding all sides. Misinformed, malicious murderers making massacre on Cypress Hills side. Wounded Knee brings terrorist America to a bloody knee. The forgotten stories, hidden atrocities, defiled casualties of early bloodthirsty democracies. Treaty lies hidden behind smiling eyes, shaking hands bearing scars of fractured hearts. The haunting remains of residential school stains. Assembling Christian Catholic religion assimilation. Molesting, beating, preaching, shadow casting, 145 years. Canada's greatest sin, illuminated by barely a glimmer. Civilizations, simmering achievement. Treaty lies hidden behind smiling eyes. Shaking hands bearing tears of shaking families. All that remains, a missing and murdered Indigenous woman. Personas non grata. Scarred stains slapping solicited scandalous smiles. A state of emergency met with flatline urgency. Rallies cried, tears undried, graves undefined, a First Nations pride victimized. Sometimes they have to kill us. They have to kill us because they can't break our spirit.